Hmm?
Papa saja Pak Masuk. Ya, ya, terus. Itu seperti apa?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jigyasa. Feeling fit and fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll continue with civics only, right?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Manshu. Let everyone join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Devansh. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. I think almost everyone has joined. Siddhant is there in the meeting or not? No, he is not there. No? Chalo.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ujjwal. Do I need to share the book on the screen?
Oh, ma'am.
No? You all have.
No, ma'am. Okay, Siddhant is still. Beta, good morning. Good morning. I am just sharing the screen with you all. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pavni. Okay, we are on.
We have to start reduction of inequality and poverty.
No, dignity and freedom of citizens. The competition of social diversity we have done, no? Gargi,
Yes, ma'am.
we have to start.
Yes, ma'am.
ये दो अनन्या सिंह कैसे ज्वाइन कर रही हैं? हाँ जी. हाँ बेटा, accommodation of social diversity I think we have completed. We have to start from dignity and freedom of the citizens, right? Anyone who can tell me whether we did this or not?
Ma'am, we have to start from the.
Huh? We have?
Ma'am, we haven't done this.
We haven't done? Okay, so we'll start from dignity. What do you mean by dignity and freedom of the citizens? Class? Anyone
Yes,
of
ma'am.
what do you mean by dignity and freedom of citizens?
Ma'am, the citizens are given freedom inside the country under a democracy
Hmm.
to follow different
To follow
To
different.
have a particular identity.
like freedom to follow their own religion, freedom to keep their own opinion.
Okay. Okay. What else? What else? Hmm? Anyone else? Beta, we have such good children in the class. Please share your views. Class?
May I?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, here dignity and freedom of the citizen refers to paying equal respect and freedom and giving freedom to the citizen to have their own beliefs and ideas.
बेटा बेटा दोबारा बोलो, मेरे को आवाज नहीं आई कुछ. गार्गी एक बार और रिपीट करो बच्चा.
Ma'am, here dignity and freedom of the citizens refer to the idea of paying equal respect and giving freedom to the citizen to have their own beliefs and opinions.
Yes, very true. See, when we say dignity and freedom, we are actually talking about dignity means what we are respected for that, right? We are given equal political rights. All the fundamental rights are equal to everyone in the country. No citizen is given a privilege, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Then coming to the freedom of the citizens, like you said, that it is respected. Everyone, whosoever wants to do whatever they feel like, keeping the democratic norms, always in. They can practice anything, they can demonstrate, they can agitate, they can oppose the policies of the government, but within that democratic framework that they have, right? That way they get a very fair chance in participating in the government mechanism, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let us read now. Viresh, are you there in the class? Beta, is Viresh there in the classroom?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, I have taken.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, अरे वो उस दिन की तरह पता चले कुछ ओल्ड स्कूल इज बैक और ये सब आ जाए, तो जस्ट टू बी ऑन द सेफर साइड. हाँ जी, कैन वी हैव एज अ रीडिंग डिग्निटी एंड फ्रीडम ऑफ द सिटीजंस? As a,
Yes, ma'am.
can we have you reading?
Dignity and freedom of the citizens. Democracy stands much superior to any other form of government in promoting dignity and the freedom of the individual. Every individual wants to receive respect from fellow beings. Often conflicts arise among individuals because some feel that they are not treated with due respect. The passion for respect and freedom are the basis of democracy. Democracies throughout the world have recognized this, at least in principle.
Now see, when
This has been,
wait, is Devansh there in the class? Beta, can you see Devansh in the class?
No, ma'am.
he's not in the meeting.
Okay, fine. Actually, chalo, theek hai, I have taken in. See, when we talk of the if you remember, the French Revolution was basically to get the rights, to give the rights to the people. ये वीरेश दोबारा से बाहर हो गए क्या मीटिंग से? बेटा एक बार चेक करके बताओ तो मीटिंग में.
No, ma'am, he's not there in the meeting.
ठीक है. Maybe he is facing. आज I think many are facing network issues. हाँ. Genuinely they are facing network.
Yes.
issues. हाँ चलो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes,
चलो.
ma'am.
Okay. Why you people are sounding so dull today? Not very energetic? Hey? Boys and girls?
The previous period was of Survi, ma'am.
So what? English?
Ma'am, it was math.
Ma'am, because
Monday,
it's
math.
Monday.
It was math.
Because it's Monday.
Because Monday.
Because it is Monday after Sunday.
And
Monday.
ma'am, morning time.
And
Because we are online.
better, and the worst thing is we are online. That is why we are feeling so dull. Otherwise, we are so enthusiastic, no, in the classroom, isn't it? See, if you will keep your cameras on, I suggest you, if you will keep your cameras on, at least you will be able to see each other. So you will feel happy from inside, you know.
Ma'am, cameras make us even more dull.
No, ma'am.
Why?
And then
But then
everyone
also it's
starts
online.
laughing.
Why? What is the logic of laughing? I don't understand.
I'm seeing each other's face, no?
So what? At least you will have that feeling that you are sitting in one classroom, you know. This kills the boredom that you people are facing, because see, sitting at home, one place, right, with the cameras closed. This is my personal feeling. I feel very bored when I don't switch on my camera. But I am forced to switch it off because of certain reasons. My back, you can see, there is always some other person moving at the back. So for that reason, I have to keep it shut. Otherwise, I also prefer keeping my camera on, because that gives me little energy to interact, to talk more, right? Rest is up to you all. How do you feel? What do you feel? Okay. Fine. If you remember, the French Revolution was all about the rights that were given to the citizens. People were not having political equality. Only very few in the country were given equal rights. So if we consider several revolutions in the European countries, we will find that all the fight, all the struggle was for getting equal rights in the country. So that is why democracies are preferred. Democracies are preferred only for this reason, that it maintains it, it respects the dignity and freedom of the citizen. And wherever there are certain lackings, like in our country we have given reservations, keeping in mind, respecting that, because in past they were not given equal rights, they were deprived of the certain facilities that were there. That is why in our country our government has made this provision of giving reservations, right? So keeping all these things in mind, of course, many people in the world, they prefer to go for the democratic form of government, because it is only the democratic form of government where dignity and freedom of the citizens is maintained, right? Though if you see practically, there are many incidents which tell you that that equality, that freedom wala thing is not there, because taking case of the dignity of women, many societies in the world, they say that the societies that we had, they were all male dominating. Women had to struggle a lot. Even in the today's time also women are struggling, but then at least they are better than what they were facing in the past, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, can we have Eza continuing?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
This has been achieved in various degrees in various democracies. For societies which have been built for long on the basis of subordination and domination, it is not a simple matter to recognize that all individuals are equal. Take the case of dignity of women. Most societies across the world were historically male-dominated societies. Long struggles by women have created some sensitivity today that respect to.
Wait. हाँ, पढ़ो.
Yes, ma'am. that respect to and equal treatment of women are necessary ingredients of a democratic society. That does not mean that women are actually always treated with respect, but once the principle is recognized, it becomes easier for women to wage a struggle against what is now unacceptable, illegal, and morally unacceptable illegally and morally. In a non-democratic setup, this unacceptability would not have legal basis because the principle of individual freedom and dignity would not have the would not have the legal and moral force there. The same is true for caste inequalities.
अच्छा बेटा एक मिनट रुको,
Democracy in
ऐसा एक मिनट
India
रुको, ऐसा वेट, ये बताओ हमें कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो द केस ऑफ रोजा पार्कर? रोजा पार्क, देयर वाज वन लेडी नो इन अमेरिका. Yes, Gargi, tell
I
beta.
don't.
Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, Rosa Parks was a black lady who lived in America, and she led a struggle for equality of the black people in America.
Can you tell about the case that is mentioned here in the book?
Ma'am, she was going in a bus and she was like tired from a long day work, and then she was sitting on a seat and a white man approached and asked her to give the seat because she was black.
And moreover, he claimed that the seat where she was sitting was actually his, reserved for him. Is Himanshu there in the class? If you could see, please. Is he there in the meeting?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है, taken. हाँ जी, anyone else who knows about this? Very good, Gargi. You know about the
Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress.
हाँ जी, can you share, can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
no ma'am.
No, just a second. Can you see the screen now?
No, ma'am.
Now? Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. We were talking about Rosa Parks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
And I also asked you about the civil rights movement that was initiated, that started in US. Do you know anything about that? Class?
No.
Hmm?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anyone in the class? ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, क्लास 7th 8th में पढ़ा होगा बेटा हम लोगों ने इसके बारे में.
No, ma'am.
नहीं. Do you know when did women got the right to vote in US? In which year? बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, don't know.
Seriously? Anyone in the class?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा, मार्टिन लूथर किंग के बारे में आपने कभी पढ़ा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was he?
Don't know, ma'am.
Ma'am, he was a king, I guess.
Beta, he was again a black, but in America. Okay, fine. I'll tell you about the civil rights movement. See, after this Rosa Parks issue, whatever happened over there, civil rights movement was initiated, and people did not like this idea that, you know, though she was black, but then she was born in America. So being born in America, she was an American citizen, right? But then being from the black origin, she was denied equal rights. That is why throughout America, this civil right movement was initiated, and it was in the year 1964 that in America, women got the right to vote. Before 1964, it was only the what do you call only the people who were in government jobs, they had the right to vote, right?
Yes.
हाँ, चलिए, कभी तो पढ़ा होगा बेटा, पता नहीं, चलो ठीक है, some other day I will tell you the story of this. Okay, चलो, let us continue with the reading part. Can we have Pavni reading now? Pavni, are you there?
May I read?
Okay, Naina, पढ़ो बेटा.
Ma'am, from the starting of this paragraph, no?
No, you have to read from the 9th line, I think.
In a non-democratic setup, this unacceptability would not have been legal basis because the principle of individual freedom and dignity would not have the legal and moral force there. The same is true of caste inequalities. Democracy in India has strengthened the claims of the disadvantages and discriminated castes for equal status and equal opportunity. There are instances still of caste-based inequalities and atrocities, but these lack the moral and legal foundations. Perhaps it is the recognition that makes ordinary citizens value their democratic rights. Expectations from democracy also function as the criteria for judging any democratic country. What is most distinctive about democracy is that its examination never gets old. As democracy passes one test, it produces another test. As people get some benefits of democracy, they ask for more and want to make democracy even better. That is why when we ask people about the way democracy functions, they will always come up with more expectations and many complaints. The fact that people are complaining is itself a testimony to the success of democracy. It shows that the people have developed awareness and the ability to expect and to look critically at the power holders and the high and the mighty. A public expression of dissatisfaction with democracy shows the success of the democratic project. It transforms people from the status of subject into that of citizen. Most individuals today believe that their vote makes a difference to the way the government is run and to their own self-interest.
Okay. Anything that I need to explain here? Class?
Some discriminated caste mean
कहाँ पे? बेटा डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड
democracy in
कास्ट,
India has
अरे भाई, डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड कास्ट कौन सी है हमारे कंट्री में जिनको रिजर्वेशन दिया गया है?
SC and ST.
है ना? तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने ये बताया कि भाई हमारे कंट्री में डेमोक्रेसी है, इसीलिए डिस्क्रिमिनेट जो भी जितनी भी डिसएडवांटेज और डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड कास्ट थी उनको भी इक्वल स्टेटस और इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है प्रोवाइड कराई गई है इन द कंट्री टू स्ट्रेंथन द democratic norm of the country. To strengthen the democracy in the country, disadvantaged and the discriminated castes, they have been given equal status and equal opportunities. Do I need to explain what are the equal opportunities which are given? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Clear है ना ये?
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what does this line mean here? In a non-democratic setup, this unacceptability would not have legal basis.
Where it is written?
Ma'am, it's the 8th line in
On
the
the eighth
first
line.
passage.
In a non-democratic setup, this unacceptability would not have legal basis because the principle of individual. हाँ ठीक है, वो कह रहा है भाई नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप में इस तरीके का कोई प्रोविजन होता ही नहीं है कि भाई पीपल आर गिवन प्रिविलेजेस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर कास्ट और मे बी द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन दैट दे हैव फेस्ड बाय बर्थ बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी. तो नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक उसमें इस तरीके की कोई चीजें होती ही नहीं है, मतलब लीगली या मॉरल फोर्स कोई होता ही नहीं है जिसमें कि द इंडिविजुअल्स आर फोर्स्ड टू गो फॉर द फ्रीडम एंड डिग्निटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल्स इन अ नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप. आप देखो जितने भी डिक्टेटर्स जितने भी मोनार्की है या जितने भी नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट है, वहां पे इस तरीके का कुछ प्रोविजन नहीं होता है. अगर अपने आप से इफ दे वांट टू डू, दे आर डूइंग इट, बट देयर इज नो रिटन evidence that these people are given because of being deprived of or because they were discriminated in past, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Tell me one more thing. Anything from the paragraph in the right hand side to be explained? If you people don't have doubts, I have doubts, I will ask you then. बताओ.
No, ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी पूछो.
How the complaints of people are the evidences to the success of democracy?
If I am not happy with your work, what will I do? I will complain.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you do when I'll complain? You will try to improve, better your condition.
Improve, yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So same thing goes with democracy also, beta. The governments which are working democratically, they tend to work more and more because they know that once if they will not work for the people, ultimately they are going to face criticism or they will not be chosen again in the elections. So when people complain, complaining itself says that democracy is being successful because people are being heard. आपने कोई शिकायत करी, आपकी शिकायत का रेजोल्यूशन हुआ, उसको रिजॉल्व किया गया, उसको सॉल्व किया गया. दैट मीन्स यू हैव अ से. You are important to the government, you have a say, that is why they are looking into your problems. If you were not important to them, they would have never done what they are doing for you. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मनीषी तो पूछ रहे थे ना कि राघव थे?
Naman, Naman.
Naman.
नुमान कौन थे?
Ma'am, Naman.
हाँ नमन. Okay, okay. Any other doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, ये जो लास्ट के जो पैराग्राफ है, last 9th line of the paragraph on the right hand side, it says a public expression of dissatisfaction with democracy shows the success of the democratic project. ऐसा क्यों? Can you explain? Any one of you? Why is it so? बेटा बताओ. बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, as you said that if the people are not satisfied with the work of democracy, and then they will try to improve, and that's it is that the same is written here.
नहीं दोबारा बोलो, दोबारा बोलो. हेलो, दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, you told that if the people are not satisfied with the work of democracy, then the government will try to improve.
हाँ exactly.
The same is written here.
बिल्कुल 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 सही कह रहे हो भाई. If we are not satisfied with the government working, we will complain, we will criticize, and our criticism, our complaints will be taken positively, and if they are taken positively, that means we are being heard, right? We are considered important. अच्छा पुनीत, फ्लो चार्ट्स,
Yes, ma'am.
थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी, I'll give you the flow charts, okay? हाँ बताओ, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Rest all is clear and understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
पक्का ना?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Beta, this chapter
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it is a very easy chapter, but the only thing is that you need to know about the facts, you know about the features of democracy, then only you can, explain. Like जो आपका class 9th का chapter था, जो हमने करा था, what is democracy, why democracy? We have read about all the features, उसमें ये सारी चीजें हमने पढ़ी हैं with all the reasons. जैसे dignity of citizens is maintained. How dignity is maintained? One person, one vote, one value. है ना? भाई हमारी डिग्निटी को कैसे मेंटेन किया जाता है? हमको कंसिडर किया जाता है एज इम्पोर्टेंट, हमारे वोट की वैल्यू है। अगर हम सिटीजन्स हैं ऑफ द कंट्री, इफ वी हैव द राइट टू वोट, और हमारे वोट्स की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है, तो फिर हमारी डिग्निटी को कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे लोग? हमारी डिग्निटी नहीं है इसका मतलब कुछ, भाई हम है नहीं है देश में, हम इससे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है किसी को। बट क्योंकि हमें वोटिंग राइट्स दिए गए हैं, क्योंकि हमारी बातों की इंपॉर्टेंस है, बिकॉज वी are being heard, whatever we criticize, the government looks into that, where they have to improve upon, because their sole motive is to satisfy the general public. वो अलग बात है कि individually they are not able to do that, but collectively they are doing it. तो जो उनका जो काम है वो तो वो कर ही रहे हैं वो, है ना? But as individuals, as citizens of the country, we also need to look into that कि भाई हम ये ensure करें कि जो डेमोक्रेसी है वो अपना, मतलब हम अपनी तरफ से अपना पार्ट पूरा करें इन एक्सरसाइजिंग कंप्लीट बेनिफिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक नॉर्म। भाई डेमोक्रेसी को हमने अगर इनहेंस नहीं करा, अगर हमने ये इंश्योर नहीं करा कि हमारे डेमोक्रेटिक राइट्स को पूरा किया जा रहा है, तो कैसे हम वो करेंगे बताओ, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो भाई, क्या इतनी बोर लग रही है क्लास आप लोगों को?
No, ma'am.
फिर 22 से 17 हो गए पार्टिसिपेंट्स, एक एक करके कटते जा रहे हैं सब लोग कि भाई खत्म करो क्लास।
मैम आप सत्य बोल रही हैं।
हाँ
मैम आप सत्य बोल रही हैं।
हाँ बेटा बिल्कुल, हम समझते हैं, हम सत्य बोलते हैं। झूठ बोलने कोई फायदा नहीं है। डेमोक्रेसी का यही सबसे बड़ी एडवांटेज होती है, आप सच बोले बिल्कुल निडर होके, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. There are many children, those who don't want to attend classes of particular subjects, and then they give all the excuses, writing it on the group, ma'am this, ma'am that, sir this, sir that. ऐसा थोड़ी हम लोग को भी समझ में आता है सब बेटा। चलिए ये आपका चैप्टर हो गया। फ्लो चार्ट्स फॉर दिस चैप्टर यू आर आस्किंग, नो पुनीत?
And for geography chapter also.
फॉर ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर ऑल्सो, ठीक है, तो वो भी हम दे देंगे। और
And geography questions भी complete नहीं हुए थे।
हाँ क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट नहीं हुए थे, वो हम कर लेंगे, उसकी आप टेंशन मत करो। वो हम आपसे पीडीएफ अगर शेयर करते हैं तो आप मुझे ये बताओ कि आप कितने दिन में मुझे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करके दिखाओगे उसके?
Ma'am, after 2 days.
मैम अभी तो पुराने वाले कंप्लीट नहीं हुए।
कौन से पुराने वाले कंप्लीट नहीं हुए वीरेश? ये तो गलत बात
हमको नहीं दिखा देगा हम तो।
बेटा पुनीत अगर इतना, इफ ही इज सो कंसर्न अबाउट द रिटन वर्क, आप लोग क्यों नहीं हो? आप लोग को क्या लगता है कि रिटन वर्क नहीं करोगे तो आप लिख पाओगे? बिना लिखे बेटा, बिना प्रैक्टिस करे, इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। कहने को होता है वी हैव ऑल द कंटेंट। हाँ बताओ।
मैम एक्चुअली मैम बुक से पढ़ लेंगे ना मैम, तो मैम हो जाएगा।
बेटा पढ़ लेंगे, वो बात बिल्कुल अच्छी है, बट पढ़ने के बाद उसको हम लिखेंगे कैसे, शब्दों में कैसे उतारेंगे? भाई देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, मेनी चिल्ड्रन, दोज हु फेस प्रॉब्लम व्हेन दे हैव टू एक्सप्रेस, और एक्सप्रेशन ही सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। क्यों इंग्लिश और हिंदी में आप लोगों के मार्क्स कटते हैं? इसीलिए कटते हैं कि एक्सप्रेशन नहीं है हमारे अंदर बिल्कुल भी।
मैम ग्रामर थोड़ी इधर उधर हो जाए
बेटा, तो ग्रामर देखो, इंग्लिश हिंदी में तो चलो प्रॉपर ग्रामेटिकल वो देखना पड़ता है, पर एसएसटी में ऐसा नहीं होता है। बट स्टिल चिल्ड्रन फेस प्रॉब्लम इन राइटिंग डाउन, वो इसलिए बिकॉज दे डोंट प्रैक्टिस। आप लिखोगे तभी आप इन टच रह पाओगे। अगर आप नहीं प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो देखो, एक तो सबसे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये है कि आपकी स्पीड नहीं हो पाएगी, है ना। देयर विल बी अ डिफाइंड टाइम पीरियड जिसमें आपको लिखना होगा, एंड इफ यू आर टोटली आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस इन राइटिंग, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू कंप्लीट योर वर्क इन द स्पेसिफाइड टाइम पीरियड. इट विल बिकम वेरी 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 डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू पीपल. और ये अगर आप ये सोचते हो कि हम केवल ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं, तो इट इज अ it is a proven fact. There are many students, those who could not score marks only because they were not in habit of writing. Though they knew the answers, they knew everything, but because they had not done practice of writing, they could not complete their work in time. उनके questions छूट जाते हैं. तो इसलिए जो है,
बट कॉपी में तो मैम देख के लिखना होता है ना.
कॉपी में देख के लिखना होता है, पर एटलीस्ट लिख तो रहे हो ना आप. भले ही कॉपी में देख के मत लिखो आप. हम तो आपसे आई थिंक इन वन ऑफ द सेक्शंस आई टोल्ड कि इफ यू फील कि आप जो है लिख लोगे, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, तो आप अपनी आवाज को आंसर्स बोलो, रिकॉर्ड करो, उसको फिर सुनो रिपीटेडली. जैसे हम गाने सुनते हैं वैसे आप उन आंसर्स को सुनो, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो दिमाग में तो क्लिक कर जाएंगे, बैठ जाएंगे. तो व्हेन यू कम टू राइटिंग, when you will start writing those answers, you will ultimately get to know what you have to write. But हर चीज के लिए प्रैक्टिस चाहिए होती है. आप ये चाहो कि एक बार पढ़ के हमारा काम चल जाएगा, तो नॉट पॉसिबल, है ना. उसके लिए आपको लगातार लगातार प्रैक्टिस में रहना पड़ेगा बेटा, है ना. हाँ. और देखो बेटा, जैसे आप लोगों को नहीं अच्छा लगता है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेना, हमें भी नहीं अच्छा लगता है. हमें लगता है कि जो फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन होता है वो ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिव होता है देन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. बट व्हेन थिंग्स आर नॉट वर्किंग इन आवर फेवर, वी नीड टू वर्क इन अकॉर्डेंस, है ना. क्लासेस लो, रेगुलर बेसिस पे करो. एज अ क्लास टीचर हम अपने बच्चों को डांट देते हैं कि भाई आप क्लासेस नहीं करते हो. बाकी सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स भी कहते हैं भाई फला फला बच्चा इज नॉट टेकिंग द क्लास. सो डोंट फील ऑफेंसिव अबाउट दैट. जो सच बात है वही तो बता रहे हैं. आपस में हम वही चीज डिस्कस करते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट इज ट्रू. अगर आप रेगुलर क्लासेस लोगे तो व्हाई पीपल विल कंप्लेन अबाउट योर क्लास, यू आर नॉट डूइंग क्लासेस रेगुलरली, है ना. और फिर एज क्लास टीचर्स हम लोग थोड़ा कंसर्न हो जाते हैं. डू यू एग्री और नॉट? तो इसलिए डोंट फील ऑफेंसिव डांटते हैं. तो बस थोड़ा सा राइटिंग का आप लोग शुरू कर दो, तो मुझे लगता है वो ज्यादा सही रहेगा, है ना.
ओके. यस.
है ना. चलो ठीक है. आई थिंक वेरी लेस टाइम इज लेफ्ट. सी यू टुमारो अगेन, and tomorrow we'll discuss the question answers for this chapter plus the flow charts, right?
Okay ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
चलो thank you beta.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
And please take care of yourselves properly. ठीक है. हाँ चलिए. ओके बेटा.
Thank you ma'am.
थैंक यू बेटा. जिज्ञासा, कभी मुस्कुरा दिया करो, हंस दिया करो प्यार से.
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके.
थैंक यू मैम.
कैसे हंस
थैंक यू मैम.
तो आप कैमरास ऑन
Thank
रखा
you,
करो. हम तो कहते हैं कैमरास ऑन रखा करो, तो अपने आप हंसी हमें दिखेगी आपकी.